Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm gonna do the most famous video of mine and the first ever video of mine, that is the Club Factory haul. So from Club Factory, I bought so many things. So I think I made a shipment for like two parcels, like the two separate parcels, and they took like 10 to 15 days. And again, it's an ancient haul, like 2 months back haul, so don't mind. So most of you guys recommended me to try Wish, but I found Wish quite expensive, and let's see in future if I get something that I really like from Wish, I would do Wish haul certainly. So there's a reason why I was not doing any Club Factory haul, because I was getting much more cheaper products in ROMWE, but I really wanted to give Club Factory another chance. So here is my Club Factory haul. So the first product I got is this purse. So this is a really small sturdy purse, and it comes in like 4 to 5 colors. I chose this sky blue one. It has a front chain like this, so I keep my metro cards and stuff which I need to swap, and then it has like a place to keep your photos, some cards, and then like place to keep your money. And it also has like this coin holder, so you can keep your coins, and also comes with a really nice tassel. So this was for about like 300 to 400. Again, the prices of all things will be mentioned right here, and I really like this. The quality of it is really nice, and for 300 or 400 rupees, I don't think you will get such nice quality of anywhere beside Club Factory. I think ROMWE has something kind of this, but it's expensive there, so I bought this one, and it's really nice. I quite like it. So the second purse I bought is for my sister, so she bought it this one, again with a tassel. It has like cream, white and black color, and again it has all the compartments you ever need. Quite big. You can fit a 6-inch to 7-inch phone in here, and this was for around like 300 to 500 rupees. Again, very nice quality, I must say. Club Factory has a really nice quality. So she also bought 2 watches. So the first watch is this one. This is a rose gold kind of a design, and it has all the metal studded thing, and it also had like 3 to 4 different colors. She chose the rose gold one. It has like diamond, like fake diamond all around the edges, and also has a radium like hands. So this was the first watch, and the second watch is this just basic like cheap watch that you can get, but the design quality is really nice and really unique, and these both were for like 300 rupees. So maybe this was for 300 rupees and this was for like 200 rupees, I don't quite remember, but both of them are really nice quality for the price, and compared to the quality that you get in like local street vendor, it's really nice. So the third thing I bought is the cutest thing in the planet. This is a calendar sort of a thing that you put on your desk, and it's completely made up of paper or cardboard, and it's 2019, and it comes again with a pig thing. I didn't choose it, it was random, don't worry, I'm not obsessed with pigs. But it's really nice. It has all the months. It has also some 2018 months, so it starts from August, and back you have a little like note kind of a thing. So it's really nice. I got this for like 69 bucks. I know it's quite expensive for this quality, I think, but it's okay. It's really cute. So the next couple of things are like this ziplock kind of a bags. So these are like mason jar shaped ziplock bags. So I bought 2 of them, like 2 sets of them. The first is the big one, which has 3 pieces and cost about like 175 or 200 rupees. Again, the smaller ones are of 4, 1 2 3 4, and they again cost the same, and I bought them basically to store nuts and like to pack nuts for a go, or you can also pack some sandwiches that you want in this packets, and it's also like resealable, so your food won't go everywhere, and it also looks really cool, so why not? This was a really nice buy from Club Factory. I was shocked for the quality. The next kitchen product thing is right here, as you guys can see, left or right, anywhere. So this is like a sponge drainer. So I'm currently using it. It's quite dirty. Quality and everything is really nice. So for 69 or 70 rupees it's really affordable also, and it's made up of silicone, so I think there won't be any if you use hot water above it, it won't be an issue, or a cold water above it won't be an issue. So the next thing is this set. So this is basically a sushi making set. I first was skeptical about the quality. So it comes with like wooden spatula, like to scoop out rice, and it also comes with this bamboo like sushi maker. The quality is really nice compared to the price. I guess it was for as cheap as like 200 bucks. You won't get any sushi making set on this for this cheap, and it's a really nice way to make sushi, I guess. If you want to see a sushi recipe video, I would really glad to make it because I love sushi, and I just bought it to make my sushi a little bit comfortable, because previously when I didn't had it, I had to like roll it with cling wraps. That was really hard job, so I got this. So the next thing is the shittiest thing that I've ever seen. So this is like the accessory kind of an holder. So it comes in a set of 2, which has like 3 hook kind of a thing. So the first one is this, the second one is this one, and the third one is this. So all in all, the quality is really nice, but they don't actually stick, because 2 main reasons. Because your earrings are really heavy. You need to, like, if you can fix this with some screw or something, it would be really nice, but with like adhesive alone, or like double-sided foam tape alone, it won't stick. I have tried. 2 of my earrings fell and broke, so I have a really bad experience with that. I'm gonna throw that obviously, but if you want to use that, it's really handy. But always if you want to use something like that, you have to drill it, because it won't take that heavy earrings or something. If you want to just hang some like really nice really light necklaces, then it would be really nice, but other than that, it's not quite worth it. So the next thing is a really interesting product from Clough Factory. So this is something called a steel soap. So I know this thing from like Japanese, from my Japanese friend or something, or anything that I watched, or Japanese food show or anything. So this is basically an odor eliminator. So when you like cut fish or any smelly things in the kitchen, sometimes like the hand wash won't like completely feed away the scent. So the main function of this is, so if you have your hands dirty with the smell, you first wash your hands with this soap. I know it won't lather, but you have to pretend it like it is a soap and then wash your hands. It also comes with a tray, dripping tray, but it doesn't fit. So you have to use it with that, then your like the smell would be completely gone. I don't know the reason or logic behind that, but it's really quite amazing. I have used that, and it's legit. It's not something gimmicky product or anything. And after that, if you wash your hands with hand wash or something, it's completely gone. You won't even smell anything after just using this. So it's a really unique and helpful product. So the next thing I bought from Clough Factory is this silicone like tea infuser. So it's in a strawberry shaped. It was for like 69 rupees. It closes like, it opens like this, and you put your tea leaves and then just close it. It's of course made up of silicone, so you won't have to worry about anything, and it looks damn cute. Won't fall that easily, like it won't open that easily. It looks damn cute, so again, worth it product from Clough Factory. So the next product is a really necessity of mine, and these are like soap papers. I know I can make my own soap papers at home, but I don't have a case for that, so I just bought this for the case. So this comes with like 50 sheets or 25 sheets of soap paper. I think 50 sheets of soap paper. It's a pretty nice smelling, and you can again attach it to your purse or anything. It's really hygienic. If you go to a public washroom or a washroom in mall, sometimes they run out of hand washers and it's really not hygienic. So this is a really nice hygienic product from Clough Factory. So the next couple of things from Clough Factory, or the next thing from Clough Factory, are these cookie cutters. So this comes in 4 shapes and 3 of each kind. One is this flower one is this round one, the third is this heart one, and the fourth is the star one. So these are the four types of cookie cutter that it comes with, and I guess it was for like 200 bucks, which is pretty cheap, and the quality is same as you have gotten it for like 1000 bucks. So it's again a pretty straightforward product, but a pretty useful product. So the next thing is this cupcake, like silicone cupcake molds. I don't have those currently because I'm currently using it. I would insert a clip or something right somewhere around the screen. It's really affordable for the quality you get, and for like this cheap you get like I think 7 to 12 pieces, which is really nice. You can get it in different colors, and you won't have to use like a baking sheets or baking paper again. It's so convenient, like I'm telling you guys, so convenient. So the last product thing, or the last thing, silicone thing that I bought is this silicone brush for 79 bucks. I know it's a little bit expensive for this small brush, but it still does its job perfectly. This is a really nice silicone brush if you want to brush your pastry with egg wash or something like that. This was everything that I bought from Clough Factory. So hey guys, if you liked my Clough Factory haul, do like this video, comment down below which was the favorite product of this whole entire haul. Don't forget to subscribe and hit all the bell notification button if you want to see more of my content, if you liked my content, of course. And I will see you guys in my next video. And if you want to see my previous Clough Factory haul, you can check it right here. It's a really long haul and it has like really cute stuff there, so you might want to check that out. And that's about it. I guess I'll catch you guys in my next video. So bye bye. Can you be my la la la?